Hi, welcome to one more Python programming and also welcome to AIPA YouTube channel. Today we are doing program about BMI calculator body mass index. I will write code first as usual and then I will explain each and every point of that code after writing a code. Let us write a code. So while calculating BMI index, we require two inputs, weight and height. So I'm creating two variables. I'm creating two variables. One variable is weight. Weight is nothing but enter your weight in kilograms. In a similar way, I will create one more variable for height. Enter your height in meters. And then some little maths to calculate BMI. BMI is equal to weight divided by, if you Google what is the BMI formula, you will get it. The formula will be like this. So this is this thing. Now we need to decide based on the BMI whether you are underweight, whether you are a normal weight or overweight, obese or clinically obese. So for that we will write if conditions. If is 18.5, right? Your BMI is and underweight. This is one condition. And then we go with elif. Elif BMI is less than 25, print your BMI is, and we need to pass here BMI and here also. And your normal weight. And one more condition. And if the BMI is less than 30, my cursor is not working properly. And I will copy the same line. Let me copy the same line here. My computer cursor is not. So your BMI is and you are overweight. If it is not a normal weight, it is a overweight. And similar way, you need to get one more condition. Say may lift, but this time it should be less than 35. And you are not a overweight. Now this is obese. You are a obese now, not a overweight. Obesity, obese means is having obesity. Yes. And finally we will get my else, and remaining part will come under else. If he is BMI is else, remaining else, you are clinically obese. He should be clinically. So let us execute fast, and then later I will explain the code. I'm running this code now. Set project 3. So it's asking enter your weight. So let me pass. My weight is 65. And then my weight, my height should be one. Let's zoom some more. 1.5. And if I press enter, your BMI is 28.89 and you are overweight. And let me enter some bigger values. Some 70 kg. My weight is 70 kg. And my weight is 1.2 meters. Your BMI is 48.6 and you are clinically obese. My weight is 17.1. So this is the BMI calculator. Okay, we are getting outputs. You also check if you are getting any errors, comment in the comment box. Now let me explain this code. So this is a variable weight, and we are storing in that variable we are storing weight. And as usual, our maths works on numerics, not with plain text. We are converting that text into float value. Float value is nothing but we are using decimal points, 1.2 like that. And in a similar way, height also, it is a plain text. Enter your height in meters, and we require a number, so we are converting into float. And this is simply math formula. If you Google it, you will get to BMI math formula, weight divided by height square. In Python, if you want exponent calculation, use double star. This is a syntax in Python. To get the exponent, you have to use double star. So this is a syntax. And what is this round means? It is a round function. It will take one as a one attribute as a one calculation, whatever the value. In simple, it is a value. it will take one value, and then another argument is a to what values you want to round up. I am rounding with 2. That's why I'm getting after decimal point I'm getting 2 values, 48.61 in output. So I'm rounding that one to 2 decimal points. That is the meaning of that round function. And round will take 2 arguments. One is value, one is how many values you want to round. If you don't give a second argument, it will throw an integer value. Let me, I will show you. So I will remove 2 here, an argument. It will just throw an integer value. So let me run once again. In kg, let's say 55 kg, and then same 1.2 I will give. See, it is giving just an integer value 38. So it is rounding to integer value, not with points. So if you want with along with points with some rounded value, pass another argument here like 2 or your wish, 3, 4, 1, your wish. So that is round function. So remember that round function will take 2 arguments. One is value and one is how much values you want to round after decimal point. And then this is very important part here. If so, it is like condition based. So in our day-to-day life, we have options 2 paths, right or left. To which path you want to go, whether use conditions. If BMI is less than 18 point, whenever this condition is true, then only the code inside this block is going to execute. And this, if this is not matching, it will check elif. And then if it is not matching, it will check elif, one more elif. If it is not matching, it will check one more elif. If other than elif and if, other than that, it will go to else block. So in Python, whatever maybe the code is coming inside conditions, you have to use indentation, either use one space or one tab. It is up to you. There is a flexibility whether you can use one space or one tab. It's up to us, but we need to follow the same indentation while writing the code. So this is about if and elif. If this is not there, this will check. If this is not there and these 2 are not there, it is go to this. If these 3 are not there, it will go to this condition, and remaining for all conditions it will go to else block. And coming to this code, this is the f string. So inside f string we are passing a variable BMI. This is a syntax of f string. Inside a flower bracket, the value of BMI is going to catch here. So this is a formula BMI, that BMI is going to catch here, and it will tell you are weight, underweight, normal or overweight, obese, clinically obese. Yeah, so that's it code. That's it for today's class. We will meet with another simple program. And if you are getting any errors and doubts, please comment. And that's it for today.